All right, let's get back to Stephen Kilbreath and talk a little bit about the forecast. And it's a little cooler, and that's got to be helping out a little bit.
Well, it's definitely helping out a little bit, yes. But we're not getting any real rain in some of these areas. We are getting some thunderstorms forecast in some spots as well. And we mentioned the Glendale, Oregon fire. Here's a look at Grants Pass, Oregon. You can see the smoke going through there at times throughout the day. That'll affect you in Medford, Oregon as well. It's very smoky throughout the region with those fires. But here's what to expect on this Friday, August 2nd. Some drizzles, showers, and rain early in the morning, especially in western Washington, the Puget Sound region along the coast as well. Some thunderstorms in the inland northwest and the Columbia Basin, and there is a slight warm-up this weekend. Here's a look from our Anacortes, Washington Tower Cam, the beginning of the annual Arts Festival there today. And you can see cloudy skies. It's going to be that way today, but it should be sunny throughout most of the region this weekend and a little bit warmer, Greg.
Sounds good. Thanks, Stephen. See you in a little bit. Well, now a rush of people.
Yeah.
Headed down there. Can't imagine it'll be too packed with the forecast today.
Yeah, it's still neat, though. I mean, it's Seafair weekend in Seattle, so there's a lot going on. A lot of people downtown doing the touristy thing. So, you know, who knows?
Waiting for that sun to come back out.
Waiting for the sun to come back out, which it will. Not today. We're going to have some drizzle and some showers early in the day throughout Puget Sound region. Everywhere else going to get sunny, and in fact thunderstorms in central and eastern Washington and central and eastern Oregon. But up and down the I-5 corridor will be sunny. The further south you go, the sunnier it gets. Sunny in Boise too today, and a high of 82. But this weekend, actually, things warm up and get back to what we're used to in the area.
Oh yeah, early August. Oh yeah, Seafair. Oh yeah, a boat.
Yeah.
It better be sunny, buddy.
Yeah, it will be.
Thanks, Stephen. All right, still ahead on First Edition, waging a Cold War, Geyser, but unlike Old Faithful, it's unpredictable, sometimes waiting months or decades between those eruptions. Yellowstone estimates the water was about, anywhere from 200 to 300 feet high. Only a couple dozen people were around to see it in person. Fortunately, one of them had a camera. All right, 8:12, let's check in with Stephen Kilbreath, get a look at what's happening right now across the Northwest. Hey, Stephen.
Hey, Greg, and good morning, everyone. Yeah, not quite as exciting as what we just saw there, but here's a look at the webcam from Old Faithful there. Live shot this morning of what's going on there. Definitely not as exciting, but definitely still something that everybody should get a chance to see there, Old Faithful. Take a look at the temperatures going on right now throughout the entire region. 61 in Portland, 58 out in Hillsboro for the Puget Sound region, 60 in Seattle already, 56 in Port Angeles, 59 in Tacoma. Some shots from around the region, La Grande, Oregon. Nice day brewing there. Could see some thunderstorms a little later on in the day. Clouds will roll through, but it'll be sunny for the most part there. Here's a look at Claylock out on the Washington coast. Lots of clouds there and some showers as well, but still any day is a great day to be out on the beach. Let's take a look at our Futurecast radar. We'll set it for Friday at 9 a.m. and see where the showers are here on the Olympic Peninsula, the Puget Sound region, and throughout eastern and central Washington. We'll advance it throughout the day and just see what happens here. We want it to disappear, but it's really not throughout the day. We're going to see showers on the east side of the Seattle communities and the foothills down in the south part of Puget Sound throughout the day today. It's just going to get very wet in the Puget Sound region. Off and on showers is what we'll call it. Friday at 9 a.m. for Oregon and southwestern Idaho. To take a look here, less showers, but there is a chance of showers off and on throughout the day. Definitely lots of clouds and some thunderstorms too, especially in Burns headed north towards La Grande where we saw the camera shot, and into central and eastern Washington as well. So what are those temperatures going to be like today? Here you go. Take a look. It's going to be 70 in Renton with some scattered showers throughout the day, 66 for Everett. As we go to the Washington coast, your temperatures are going to be in the mid-60s here, 63 for Hoquiam, further inland, 69 in Olympia. And of course, the further south you go down I-5, it'll get warmer, 71 in the Kelso-Longview area, 73 in Portland. As we saw a little bit earlier, the temperatures are stabilizing right now around 60 degrees, going to get up to 73 in Portland with some morning drizzle. Out along the Oregon coast, 62 for Lincoln City, 64 Coos Bay, of course, warmer in Brookings at 69, and more sunshine for you as well. In fact, more sunshine the further south you get. We saw a shot earlier in the show from Grants Pass, Oregon, with some smog with that smoke from the Glendale fire here, so Medford could see a little bit of that as well, but a high temperature of 84. East of the Cascades, Boise is going to get to 82 today, 74 in Burns, Oregon, and 79 in the Dalles. Thunderstorms start from Burns and they head north into central and eastern Washington. You'll see some thunderstorms in Spokane today with a high of 70, and in central Washington, temperature is going to get into the 80s in the Tri-Cities, 78 from Moses Lake. Your extended forecast in just a few minutes.
All right, let's get to Stephen, talk about the extended forecast. How's that looking?
Well, it's going to be good this weekend and on into next week. It may not look like it this morning in some spots throughout the region, especially in western Washington, where we are seeing some clouds and some drizzle in some spots. But let's start in Spokane. We were just talking to our friends in Spokane. Chance of thunderstorms today at a high of 70, 79 on Saturday with more thunderstorms. Then it warms up, gets nice at the end of the weekend, partly sunny and warmer and a high of 84. Then into the upper 80s as you begin your work week, high of 88 on Monday and Tuesday, then back down into the mid 80s. Just perfect for the inland Northwest, really. Chance of showers for Seattle today and a high of 69. One of our first days in the 60s in a long time. Well, Thursday was too, but so 2 days in a row in the 60s. First time in a long time that's happened. Saturday and Sunday going to be right around 80 degrees with morning clouds and sunny skies. Then mostly sunny on Monday and a high of 80. Then into the mid 70s through the middle of next week. Really nice for the Puget Sound region in the Pacific Northwest. Boise, sunny, high of 82 today. And then sunshiny skies throughout the rest of the weekend, warming up too, back into the 90s for you guys. And cloudy skies Tuesday and Wednesday, but still into the 90s. And finally, we'll wrap it up here with Portland. Morning shower and partly cloudy today, then clouds to sunshine skies on Saturday and a high of 82. Near 90 on Sunday. Cools off a bit as you begin the work week with highs in the lower 80s next week. So it's looking good in Portland.